What up, guys? It's day 8 in series Road to Payout. On today's video, we do have a backtesting session. And we're not just backtesting, we're more specifically trying to pass the prop time challenge on FX Replay. So let's get into today's video. So today we're trying to see if we can pass the prop time session on 2026 April 2026 price action, and I think so far it hasn't been bad. It has been going pretty good. For those who are new into this series, it's me documenting every single day. I'm live trading, I'm doing trade recaps, I'm doing backtesting sessions, psychology sessions, I'm sharing everything. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible, and I'm trying to just show y'all the struggles and overall the journey that a new traders go through, because I'm living this moment, I'm doing it myself, and I will be proof that anybody can do this. Anybody, because I'm no special, I'm no ordinary person. I'm a regular 16-year-old kid from Europe. Alright, profit target 5%, because we're doing like a, wait, do we have a 3k profit target or 2.5k? I think it was 2.5. Yeah. Alright, nice drawdown 2k. Okay. Hopefully my internet won't be as fried as in the first time, because I had to retake this video because I seriously couldn't place a trade. My charts weren't moving because my internet was literally so bad, and it rage baited me so much that I just quit and retook this video. So let's get into today's price action. Right now we are delivering higher after sweeping this liquidity. We have inversed this daily gap. We're now inside this daily gap. On 4-hour, we're also delivering higher. We have inversed this 4-hour gap. On daily, it's a little choppy. No, not that much of a price action. Yes, we do have this hourly gap. What did I say daily? It's an hourly. So on hourly, we'd have this hourly gap. We have this hourly gap forming. I'm trying to not go and speak as loud because my throat is hurting. Pause. I'm just sick, bro. Alright, we'd have this 15 minutes. We'd have this 15 minutes. So it's not bad. It's not bad. So let's just see how the price move in the opening. Right. One thing I would like to see is maybe, no, wait. It's not probably going to take out this liquidity in one move because it's a pretty strong rejection block. I think it's an hourly as well. Yeah, kind of. Well, on 15 minutes it's pretty visible, pretty good, and so I don't think it's going to take out the rejection block. But what can we do is it's probably going to go up to around here, and then we can take some shorts if we do get some higher time frame inversion. Right, great reaction. I mean, we do have this 5-minute. If we can take a great inversion from it, but one thing we got to keep in mind, we do have this 15-minute, and so if this 5-minute decides going way too low, we cannot take this trade. Right, we haven't hit that 15 minutes yet. So, alright, bro, why did I go too far? No, I'm not going to take this century trade. Other than take longs to the upside if we do get a nice inversion. So let's see. Alright, so far we cannot invest this gap. Yeah. Alright. We did invest. Can we go higher? Fuck, I don't know. Let me check the RR. How is it looking? I think we can deliver to the, but just to here, because I'm not risking. And we might want to go break even once we go into. No. I'm going to take this trade. Alright, why is this job, bro? Alright, are we going to deliver higher? Yeah, very volatile. Alright, on to next day. On to next day. Excuse me. Alright. We are bouncing off this daily gap. We're having some nice reaction to the downside. So today we could be looking for some shorts, possibly. No, possibly. I'm not saying that as confidently. Because we are inside this 4-hour gap that we have to keep in mind, and I don't like going against these big gaps. Also, see, it's an hourly gap, and we do have this hourly gap and some liquidity inside it, so we could maybe no, you see the vision, or maybe to here. No, you see all this damn liquidity up here. So maybe we can get some pushback in here, sweep this liquidity, and then we can take them longs. So let's just see. Let's just see. Right. We have a push to the upside. We didn't sweep, so that is a great. We didn't sweep this liquidity. Can we? Are we going to sweep it all, or just sweep this and bounce off this farm 15 minutes, and then we can go higher? Alright. Great. Can we get a pullback now? Oh, do you have some higher time frame gaps? And we do have the streamer. Fuck. Right. We do have. Nope. Right now we do have a 5-minute candle, a 5-minute gap that we can invest. So we see a 5-minute inversion that we can take them longs. Right. Candle closed. Right, so let's go on 5 minutes. I think I'm pretty confident we are going to cash all this liquidity, but you know, just for the safety. Because I wouldn't be going on a funded for, you know, this crazy RR trade, but I'm pretty confident it will take out all this liquidity, and if I'm correct, I remember it did take out all of it. So just for being, you know, a realistic to myself, I wouldn't be taking this big of on trade unfunded. So we're going to just take a trade. I would be going for, and it's an 1-to-1, and we're going break even at this high because it's inside this 15-minute gap. Right? So you know, yes, we could be going to here, break even. No, let's go to here because I think it's going to be rather this. Trade. Wait a minute. Let's let's see if I was correct. Yeah. I just didn't want it to be unrealistic and, show damn I hit this trade because my friends know I don't take trades like this. I only take that low hanging fruit 1 to 1, max 1 to 5. I don't like going for these big greedy trades, especially in the live market. Yes, I can take, these big RR trades on backtesting, but what is it going to give me if I don't take them on live markets? Because live markets, rather take these higher win rate trades, these low RR, right? We are still bouncing off this daily gap. Oh shit, my back is hurting a little bit. Right, we did invest this 4 hour. Right now, looks like we might be heading towards this 4 hour gap. And yes, looks like we're going for this 4 hour gap because we do have some liquidity on 1 hour as well, on 15 minutes as well. So, we formed a pretty strong rejection block also here. And, overall, also we're rejecting off this hourly gap. So, interesting price action. Okay, excuse me. It's 4:15. The next candle is 1 a.m. What is this glitch? Seriously. Seriously, what was that? Bro, what? I'm not tripping or what? What was that? Alright. We are not. Well, we're bouncing off a couple days back from this daily gap, but right now we're adding towards this liquidity, and I think we might be taking longs because right now, we're heading upwards. We're bouncing off this 4 hour gap and we're going higher. We do have this gap here. We do have this gap in here. Oh, excuse me. So let's just see. Come on, please, internet. Please, man. Please don't fry again. Alright, great. We do have this 15-minute gap and we left some liquidity inside it. We do have these gaps and we have some liquidity inside. So, we have some options to work with. We have swept this liquidity inside this 15-minute. This, at the same time, we can take longs or we can take some shorts. So it's not. I'm not marrying my bias. I'm just going to be flexible, right? Great. We swept liquidity. Maybe we might want to go a little higher, sweep also this, and then we can take some shorts or some continuation long. So it's it's not some strict rules, right? Right. Great. We swept it all. Right, did I accidentally skip one too many candles? Looks like. Looks like. Right, we do gotta wait for 4 minute closure though. Great. Great. Fuck, that is a ridiculous wick. Fuck. What the fuck is this 15 minute candle though? 15 minute candle, 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 15 min Right, that is insane. I mean, we do have a lot of liquidity in here. Let's see if the RR is really bad. On life, how big is the stop loss? Can we get a little pullback? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Are we being greedy? I don't think so. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, this candle hasn't closed? Wait. Oh, now it closed. Great. Did it? Man, I think it closed though. I just don't want to miss. Wait. Nope. Nope, it didn't. It didn't. It didn't. Right. Now, we didn't invest this gap, so we cannot take them shots. See how great. How great. How great that I waited. Right. Do we have a 2-minute close? Yes, we do. Let's take longs. So what? Hmm. Just as sometimes, yeah. Fuck. Well, the overall uptrend, we're overall going higher, so I think we can take these longs. But let's not go for that big of an RR. Let's keep it simple. Right, great. Just a small town girl living in a happy world. Right, great. On to the next one. Come on, Brian. Oh, this video is not too boring because I'm not talking, I think, enough. I just get zoned in so much that I forgot to talk, you know. Alright, we invest this daily gap. Chop, we are chopping, excuse me. Alright, we do have this hourly gap. We do have some liquidity inside this hourly gap. We have this hourly gap, so my predictions, we can go higher and we can take shots, we can go lower, sweep this, and then we can take longs. Alright, let's see. Absolutely perfect, gorgeous. Can we take some inversions? Alright, we do have this beautiful 3 minute. Yeah. Alright, perfect. Yeah, that's all I need. That's all I need. Right, we are in. We are in. Fuck. What do I do with this giant wick? Sorry. No, I'm not going in. Unlike this wick. Right. Yeah, I didn't like that wick. Right, this is a better, because now we do have a rejection block. Now we're bouncing it off of it. So I rather take this setup. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. I could go here. Could we? Yeah, let's go there. Alright. Great. Are we delivering lower? Yes, we are delivering lower. Okay. One more trade and we passed the challenge. Or we can lose another trade and we can, you know, we will be pushed to do some couple more trades. No, yeah, y'all can't call me cheating because I have traded this price action, but I just that was a really great crack because no, I haven't traded for long the MNQ. I used to trade the gold. No, I've been landing trading for a little over. No, this I've been landing trading for 3 months and 1 day because yesterday I hit the 3 month mark. So I don't have experience in like all these different months, so I just wanted to take April. So no, all right, we swept this liquidity, but I think we can still go higher because look at overall this crazy option, bro. This it's so easy when you follow the daily bias. Why do I fuck up in live markets and decide randomly on 1 day and to not follow the daily bias? Once you follow the daily bias, it's literally a free trade. Okay, and the internet is cooked again. You know, 4 hours, not much. Well, 15 minutes we do have this, so we have 8 minutes. Not quite. I mean, we do have this 5 minutes. So what I would like to see maybe a little push down to sweeping. Wait, what could we be sweeping? Is it much to ask for to go to here? I don't know. Let's just see on the price. Alright, we swept. So this liquidity we didn't sweep this, but no. Alright. Did we sweep what I asked for? No. So let's sweep it, guys. Right now it was swept. Perfect. Can we get a inversion now to the upside? Can we get that? Right. Right. Great. Can we get a inversion? It is pretty tiny gap, but it is what it is. Right. We got the inversion. Great. Great, great, great. Now we can take them schlongs. Them long schlongs. Well, let me see. Oh shit, the RR's cooked, my boy. We need some retrace. Right. Oh, this would be a great trade. But I'm just not sure because fuck. Well, we are inside this 4 hour as well. So Yeah, let's just follow the plan. We are bouncing off. Wait, 15 minutes, are we? No, we invest this 15 minutes. Fuck. Fuck, man. Nah, or didn't take. I'm not taking this. Sorry, if it hits, nope, see what I said. Alright, it's just straight chop. Do we skip to next day? No, let's just wait. We can wait. Maybe we do farm ourselves a nice setup. I think I remember taking this inversion and falling into this insane chop. This is so bad. Alright. Now it's way too close to the end of the session. We're not trading there. On to next day. We're going to cut that day out that we just skipped and didn't trade, so there's no unuseful wasted minutes from the video. Alright. We had some pullback, but now looks like we're heading upwards again. Alright. One thing I'm not sure if I like is this low resistance liquidity left here. Well, we can just maybe open up. Alright, there's a lot of coins to sweep all of it. Fuck, man. Alright, we do have this 15-minute gap. Maybe if we can open up, sweep this, then we can take them longs. That would be nice. That would be pretty nice. Alright, we swept this though. So this liquidity inside is 15 minutes. Do we have some inversion possibly? I mean, we do have this. Fuck. Is it going to play out? Not really. Right, that's not a loss. Not a loss. Alright, is it not going to give us a right rate? Give us an entry maybe? Could you give us an entry maybe? Alright, we're going to cut this part out as well. Bro, why wasn't there a single entry? Alright. On daily, we are delivering higher. Looks like for this liquidity, we do have this for our gap we're right now in, but we might want to go higher for this gap inside this for this liquidity inside this 4 hour. We do have this 4 hour. Wait, what time is it? Alright, it's not bad. We do have. Oh, there's no gaps in here. It's insane. Alright, we swept this liquidity. Bro, call me crazy, but this, it's not even call me crazy, bro. Look at this. Yes, we are delivering higher, but just look at this fucking liquidity, bro. This is so just asking to be swept. See all of this. There's nothing to retrace higher from. If I get stopped out, I'm lost because There's literally nothing. We just need a little pullback. Are you sure you want to play with a demon? Alright, let's get ourselves a pullback. Great. Great. Alright. One thing maybe I don't like as much is what the fuck is this jump here? Is this a news candle? Yes. Right. Oh, and for that, let's go like, oh no, just something is feeling off. I might go break even in here. Are you sure you want to play with a demon? I think the liquidity there is pretty obvious. Alright, looks like we're going to get stopped out. Right. Well, this would have been a hit, but at the same time, no, it was maybe a kind of a risk that we could have gotten ourselves stopped out. So rather don't risk and I'd rather take that L than being stopped out. Oh. Alright. 13. Oh, it's the Monday. We have this gap. We are bouncing off this giant gap. We have this giant new day opening. Remember, this is the Monday. The trader smoked because I was so dumb. I got smoked in there, right? So overall, interesting price action. So what do we get? What was the trade I decided to take? Oh, it was I think from here to this inversion, but didn't see that we didn't invest with that candle, this gap, and we got some insane stop out. Boom. We got our ass stop the fuck out. Boom. But this was also from a tweet, because this wasn't just a random pull, because this can't happen just, I mean it can, but it's so random. This was from I think a round tweeting. Right. I remember this trade like a day. Like a day. Can we get a pullback? Like a day, bro. Why is this comparison? I remember this trade like my 5 fingers. Like it was yesterday. I should have said like a day, bro. Like a day. Like a boss. Right, it will be probably around here. Like a boss. Alright. Great. Go to analytics. Right. Nice, 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 nice. Fast. Type shit. Bro, what? Average RR. So yeah, a chill trade in there, some light video. I don't know, I was just thinking I need to make the video today in the day because I'm staying home. I wasn't going to school today, So Jay, all right, let me make this video before trading. So yeah, some light, some good. So God bless y'all. Stay safe, stay locked in. I'm gonna see y'all at the live trading and at the trade recap today. So remember, Jesus loves y'all. Stay safe, stay locked in. Don't you ever think about giving up. We are slowly heading towards that success, that victory. So I'm gonna see y'all later in today. But if you don't look at the live trading or trade recaps, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow at day 9. Peace out, cheese.